Create user onboarding in Flutterflow using page view. Hi, my name's Suzette and I build apps for my personal and for my client projects. Let's start. So create a blank page. I'm naming it Checkup. This is already connected to a Firebase project. If you haven't watched my video on how to connect your Flutterflow project with Firebase, I recommend you to watch it for more details. We go and create our homepage, create blank and name it homepage, create page and start building. Delete the app bar so we can design our first page. On the left pane, click on the widget tree, select column, add a row, and then add a container. Select the container, and you notice the color of the container is not matched with the page background, so let's fix that design. You can pick the colors from here on the page properties and on the theme settings. If we go to the media assets, you can upload or drag and drop the images, icons, and logos here. Okay, so we are now on the theme settings. You can import your Figma theme here. Select the loading indicator, colors, etc. I'd like the pumping heart, which is more in line with our app for telehealth. Oh, cute. Set the colors for our branding, which is fully customizable. Now going back to our page, select the container, and now we can choose the primary background color to match our page background. Let's see. Okay, that should work. Alright, and we center align our row. Select column to add another row. On the row, we add text widget, and let's name it Check App. Set the font weight to 700, font size to 26, and then choose a text color, which is tertiary. Let's put the text on the center, so make sure to select the row and center align it. Select container so we can add a background image. Alright, scroll down and look for background image. In here, there are three options where you can select network, asset, and uploaded file. So let's select asset and upload an image. We want to place the logo in the middle of the page, so select column, and then on the main axis element, select align center. That's it. We're done with our initial page. Let's create the user onboarding. So let's add a page and create blank. I'm naming it onboarding. Let's delete the up bar so we can design it. In our main column, add a widget page view, which will give us pages 1, 2, and 3. Yep, we designed the first page view, add a column, and wrap this in a column. In the column, we add a row and add another container. Change the border radius to 24, width to 50, keep the height at 25. Fill the color using our primary color from our theme. On row properties, select main axis alignment. Give it a padding of 20. Okay, let's add a text. Let's select container and then add a row. And then under row, set the font size to 12. Change the text label to skip. Let's center the row. Select the text color from our theme. It's too small, so let's change the font size to 16 and font weight to 700 bold. Alright, that looks better. Okay, select row and give it a padding of 50. Let's delete the image on page 2 and 3. Add a new image widget under column. Set the height to 400 with border radius to 8. Find the image source. You can choose from Asset, Network, and Upload. And this time we select Asset and upload an image here. Set the width to infinite and height to 500. On the page view page, right click on the column and wrap it with a stack. Add another container. Set the width to infinite and height to 250. Set the center alignment to low center. Set the upper two corners to 36. Let's go back to the container to add a column widget. Add a row. And add a text widget. Let's update some sample copy here. Update your content based on your design. Let's go to the column widget here and add another button. Update the text to next, the width to infinite, padding to 20 and 20, and the top padding is 14. On the main page view, can you see the indicator here? We can actually select the indicator alignment under indicator properties. It doesn't look good. Let's move the button to the main page view instead. To do that, just press and hold the button widget until you see the blue bar and then move it up to the main page view. Okay, now that we got the page view 1 set, collapse this stack, press Ctrl C to copy, and then Ctrl V to page 2. Do the same thing on page 3, Ctrl V. Update the page view per your design, so I'll speed up the process. Test run the app. Ta-da! You have created your user onboarding page for your first project without coding.